कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
पद्मविभूषण मारियो मिरांडा हांच्या चित्रांचे प्रदर्शन करपी संग्रहालय वर्सा भितर स्थापन करतले म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री डॉ प्रमोद सावंतान विधानसभेत माहिती दिली। मारियो मिरांडा हांच्या घरच्यांक विचारांत घेऊन हे संग्रहालय उबारतले अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी सांगले। विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान हाचेर विधानसभेत लक्षवेधी सुचोवणी मांडली।
Attention of the House is drawn as regards to the establishment of museum in honor of the renowned cartoonist and artist recipient Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan and numerous awards from India, Spain. Late Mario de Miranda would be a fitting tribute to his remarkable contribution to art and culture. The steps the government will take to ensure the formation of a committee consisting of art experts, historians and government officials to oversee this project, which would be responsible for checking the feasibility of the project, selecting a suitable site and ensuring the museum accurately represents his legacy.
This government has utmost respect for the Padma Vibhushan, late Mario de Miranda, and fully agree that the state of the government museum is required to be set up in the honor of the late Mario de Miranda, depicting his artwork and which will be fitting a tribute to his remarkable contribution in the field of art and culture. Department of the Museum is already in the process of establishing state-of-the-art museum at Old Secretariat, Al-Zaydi Palace, and few galleries in this museum shall be dedicated slowly to the late Mario de Miranda. Government has already set up a committee to establish the museum at the Old Secretariat building in the following members. Okay, list Avedila, Taja Bhair, Speaker Sir, in long run, we are establishing the full-fledged museum at Old Goa in our own land. Of Agriculture Department has given the separate 10,000 square meter of the land. ही म्युझियम सेटअप करपाक दिला। इन फ्युचर हो म्युझियम थंयसर वतलो तेन्नाय बी स्पेशल गॅलरी मारियो दी मिरांडाच्या खातीर आसतली। पण आतां एट प्रेजेंट आमी आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंट, स्मार्ट सिटी सगळी डिपार्टमेंटां थंयच्यान रिशेफल करून परत कला अकादमी हातून येयली। ती परत एकदा रिशेफल जो आहा पळय न्ही आमच्या ओल्ड सेक्रेटरीएट बिल्डिंगेन हो करता तेन्ना ताका एक गॅलरी जी स्पेशली आहा ती मारियो दी मिरांडा हाच्या खातीर आमी दवरता।